Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the truck and car chest only challenge. Now this means that I can only use chests which are in cars or trucks. So straight away we're going to be landing at my usual spot because it already has a truck there which has a chest in it as well, so which is even better. Get this quick, and we get SMG. Hold on. There we go. Oh, that was stressful. Okay, we'll just take that just for now. We're not gonna really use it. But we can take ammo crates. So I'll just take that, thank you. Oh, I want a grappler. I really do. Really do. Really do. Okay, now I think there was some ammo crates in here. Maybe not. Oh, we have a shotgun in here. Not much. Okay, we'll just break through this. And yeah, let's get going. Okay, now I'm going. Or we could go to Tilted Towers. That might be a bit better. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just go to Tilted Towers. Now where was that? Oh yes, over there. Okay, now there's a spot that I know where there's a truck that's underneath the bridge. So if I can find that, I'll have 2 chests. But as usual, I need to find it first. Oh, there it is. Okay, we'll just land there. Oh, footsteps. Gotta get here quick. Yes, and it's unopened. Nice, hear footsteps. There we go. Whew, stressful. But I used my shotgun. I'll just keep it because, you know, it's like very hard not to play with the shotgun. Then we'll just take that, thank you. Now I can get heals from other people I eliminate, but that's all. Okay. Make sure everything's reloaded. Oh. There's a person here. Where are you? Where are you? Here we go. Bop, 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 and he goes down. Okay, where are more people? I need people. Oh. There we go, and he goes down as well. Damn. I'm actually cooking this game for once. Oh, I hear more people. That's even more great. There we go. Oh, and this guy had 2 golden weapons. Whoa, and I only get these weapons. Okay, I'll just take that, thank you. Thank you very much, my good sir. And I hear more fights. Oh, this is going even better than I expected. Lots of fighting today. Okay, there's another person over there, but I can't tell where. Oh. There we go, and he goes down as well. I'm cooking! 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 Yes, sir. I am cooking today. Damn. Okay, now, do you have any heals? No, you do not. That's pretty sad, but it's okay. Yes, I think someone got eliminated here. Okay, this is a bit risky. Oh, you can still. Oh, never mind. Okay, where should we go next? Yep, that's a person. Okay, let's go get him. Oh, I hear fighting. Fighting this way. Where is the fight? There you go. Woo! Got a ton of it. Oh my god! This guy had a golden heavy assault rifle. This guy. Okay. Get it. Okay, run away. Run away. Run away. Okay. 10 LMs. This is crazy. 10 eliminations. Oh, I see another person. Oh, what? Ouch, I guess. Why can't I hit him? Ouch. Oh my god, you guys. Whoa! Oh my days. I mean, that was still pretty good, you know? So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Got 11 eliminations. So, I'll see you guys next time.